How to edit videos on NanoBanana.ai. First of all, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the NanoBanana.ai website. Make sure you are logged in with your account to access the AI editor features. Once you are on the website, click on Start Editing. Here you will see two options, Image Edit and Text to Image. Currently, NanoBanana.ai is an image editing platform, so there is no option to upload or edit videos. You can only upload images or use text prompts to transform images. If you select the Image Edit option, click on the Add Image button to select an image from your gallery. After uploading, use the main prompt option to describe how you want the image to be edited. Once you have entered your prompt, click on the Generate Now button and wait for the AI to process your request. Your edited image will appear as the output. So while NanoBanana.ai doesn't currently support video editing, you can fully edit and transform images using its AI tools. Now you know how to edit videos on NanoBanana.ai. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.